Okay, the final piece of the raft, propulsion. This is a little bamboo paddle. It's actually pretty effective looking. But of course bamboo's sharp, so you got to take off all these edges, otherwise you slice your hands open. They use the same bamboo for spearheads on arrows and so forth. So let's give it a pull in the water, like, see if it's got any strength to it. See if you can feel. Oh right, it's got to put an arrowhead on the bottom. Comes out the water better then. Yeah.
I can't pull that hard.
Pretty effective. Not that way. Turn around. Alright, just got to shave off all these little last pieces. Just to make the last bit of smoothness. And then that'll be the engine for our raft. Almost looks professional. Almost. Okay, next instalment is the floating of the Titanic Part 2 and paddle down the river from up here, going down that way. We'll see if we make it.